How to delete your Totaljobs account permanently. Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete your Totaljobs account permanently. To permanently delete your Totaljobs account right here, all you need to do is open up our Totaljob account right here. So once we open up right here to delete our account right here, the quick tip, you must first to be logged in with some account for you to delete it. So right now all we need to do is click on profile on the bottom right corner. After pressing on profile right there, you see a settings icon on top right corner. Press on the settings icon on the top right corner. After pressing on the settings icon top right corner, you'll be located at your settings. So here at your settings, all we need to do is go down till you see delete account. There we go, just below the application settings. Press on delete account right there. After pressing on delete account right here, you no longer have access to your profile, save visits and emails and application data right there. Data and other step group, limited website. There we go. Then click on delete account. Once we've done that, as you can see right now, you've been logged out. Sorry to see you go, your data will be deleted in 24 hours. So you still have 24 hours to recover your account. To recover your account, you just need to log in again using the account that you've used to that you've deleted. So once you've logged in again to the account that you've deleted, there you can now recover your account and continue on with your merry little Totaljobs life. So there you go. As you can see right now, we have been logged out. So there. So yeah. That's it. That's how it goes. So there you guys. That's how you delete your Totaljobs account here on Totaljob. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, tabi tayo question below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. Anyways guys, see you guys on the next one and peace out. Thank you guys.